So, sige po, let us apply those learnings or information dito po sa particular problems na to. So for number 1, given two displacement vectors, find the magnitude and direction of the displacement vector 3a minus b. So kung napansin niyo po yung ating given vectors ay gumagamit po ng ating unit vectors, tama? So dito na po papasok yung importance ng unit vectors kasi we can detect kung ano po yung x component ng vector as well as yung kanya pong y component. So from those vectors, we have a sub x as 3, and then a sub y as 4, and then for b sub x naman po ay 6, and then b sub y naman is negative 5. So, ito pong 3a minus b ay combination po ng scalar multiple and then yung atin pong difference. Pero, hindi po natin siya necessarily pwedeng isa-isahin. Pwede po natin directly i-apply. Okay? Ang tawag po dyan sa algebra is linear combination. So, pwede po natin i-apply directly yung ating pong operation. So, ano pong ibig natin i-point out? Ang 3a minus b ay equal po sa 3 times yung ating pong x component. We have 3 minus yung x component po ng ating b. We have 6. Alright, so that's for the x component of 3a minus b. How about po sa y component ng 3a minus b? We get 3 times the y component of a, which is 4. And then, minus yung y component ng b, which is negative 5. Alright, so this will be our result. Ano po sa ating 3a minus b na vector? So we get, pwede na po natin i-direct siya sa calculus, no? 3 times 3, 9 minus 6, we have 3. And then 3 times 4 is 12. Minus negative 5 is positive 70. Alright? Pero, ang problem po dyan ay, ang tinatanong po is yung magnitude and direction, not the components. Ano po? So, ang 3a minus b can be written, kapag gusto po natin siyang gamitan ng unit vectors, we get 3i plus 17j. Alright? Kung pagparas pong positive ang ating components, it means paras pong positive yung direction. Ano po? Ang resultant vector, yes. Apo, ang resultant vector is 3i plus 17j, and then huwag kakalimutan po yung ating unit of measurement, which is meters. Paano po makukuha yung magnitude? So, ang magnitude po ng ating 3a minus b is equal to square root of x component, which is 3, and then squared, mukha pong 8. Ayan. So, 3 squared plus 17 squared. So, sige, try po natin na diretso na. We have square root of 3 squared plus 17 squared. What do we get? We have, in my calculations, 17.2627. Tama po ba? Nag-agree po bang everyone? Ayan. Thank you po. Ayan. So we have newtons. Ano po? Newtons. Sorry po. We have meters. So ang ating pong unit ay meters. Ayan. And how about po yung direction? So ang ating pong direction will be arctan ng y component po over x component. So we get, ang y component po ay 17, ang x component po is 3. So 17 over 3. Ano po ang ating magiging sagot dito? Arctan po ng 17 over 3. Tama po ba na 79.9920? Correct. So we have 79 0.9920 degrees. And again po, paano po natin madedetermine yung secondary direction? Napansin po natin na parehas pong positive yung x and y components. Therefore, ano po yung ating appropriate secondary directions? We have, ayan, thank you po. We have north of east. Alright? Meron po ba tayong questions? So, ganun po yung ating pag-compute, ano? Alright? So, again po ay, hanapin ang magnitude by using our formula, yung square root po ng x component squared plus y component squared. And for the angular inclination, meron po tayong arctan. Arctan ng y over x. So, disregard po muna yung signs. And then, saka po tayo magde-decide ng secondary directions using those signs. Ano po?